Human activity has caused wetlands in Canada to disappear at an alarming rate.
There's a rock outflow between the ponds.
According to Ducks Unlimited, in settled areas of Canada, up to 70% of our wetlands have already been destroyed or degraded. They protect from water pollution by cleaning the water, from flooding by reducing water sent downstream, and they protect from drought by holding water when conditions are dry. Living Lab Atlantic is attempting to reverse that trend by developing wetlands on farmland that's not suitable for crop production. This site was created just last year.
We have this large agricultural field next to us here that's quite often in potatoes once in every 3 years, and as the water runs off the field it goes through the wetland and the nitrates get filtered out by the vegetation.
This means that by the time it gets into the adjacent watershed, there should be very few nitrates left, if any, preventing the growth of algae and sea lettuce blooms that cause fish kills.
As it breaks down, it takes all the oxygen out of the water, so any fish, or especially animals that can't move, that live in the water system, will not have any oxygen and they can die off.
It also adds biodiversity to the area. Historically, there has been a lot of wetland loss on PEI, and Ducks Unlimited started restoring them back in the 1960s. It's not just the waterfowls that benefit, but a variety of species.
You have amphibians, you have mammals, there's invertebrates. These wetlands provide important habitat for all types of species.
Wetlands also make for an important buffer zone when rainfall is at its heaviest.
The more extreme weather events we're getting, when you don't have any green cover on the field, if you get heavy rain coming down, then the rain just washes the topsoil and the nitrates right out of the ground and straight into the water.
The group hopes to continue to create new wetlands as more farmers get on board with the idea.
Once farmers understand that we're not taking any productive land out of production, we're looking for those fallow areas that are low slope, poorly drained soils. I think there's going to be a big uptake in these type of wetlands in the future.
So far, 4 new wetlands have been constructed across PEI.